Let's show you how to train a chatbot using your own documents and track every bit of usage along the way. First, we write the story in ChatGPT, format it in Google Docs, and export it as a readable file for AI processing. Now we select the PDF file and upload the story PDF using GPT-3.5 Turbo. Once uploaded, the tool shows a preview of the document content on the right, along with the title, source, and type. Here you can generate a summary. The AI reads through the entire PDF to extract the key points. Choose the model that fits your task. GPT-3.5 Turbo is fast and efficient, while GPT-4 offers deeper reasoning for detailed queries. Let's try asking a question. The AI will search through the document and respond based on the exact text. If you need a smarter model, you can switch to GPT-4 and ask another question. It provides equally accurate answers with a deeper understanding. If you want to track how much you've used the AI, head over to the Usage tab for a complete breakdown. Here you'll find a detailed dashboard, total calls, tokens used, and estimated cost, all updated in real time. You can see how many calls each model handled. GPT-4 is more powerful but also costlier. GPT-3.5 Turbo is faster and lighter in usage. Scroll down to explore usage records. You will see token input-output counts and exact costs per operation, whether it was a chat or a summary. Easily filter your data by date range to get a broader view of model performance. That's all it takes to make your files searchable, conversational, and intelligent. Powered by Innofied. Thanks for watching.